If you've ever felt like your schedule is getting away from you, Google Calendar can make planning a whole lot easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar for planning step by step so you can organize appointments, meetings, activities, and tasks all in one place. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, simple calendar system that helps you stay on track every day. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device. If you're signed into your Google account, your calendar should load right away. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. The layout is very easy to understand. You'll usually see your calendar on the main screen along with options on the left side for creating events and managing different calendars. Now let's start by creating events for important appointments, meetings, and activities. To do that, click on the date and time where you want the event to happen, or click the Create button if you see it. A new event window will pop up, and this is where you can enter the event details. Give it a clear title so you know exactly what it is at a glance. For example, you might name it Doctor Appointment, Team Meeting, Gym Session, or School Pickup. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to stay organized. Next, add the specific date and time to each event. This is one of the most important parts of planning with Google Calendar because timing is what keeps your schedule realistic. Choose the correct day, then set the start time and end time. If it's an all-day event, you can mark that too. You can also add the location, notes, meeting links, or any extra details you might need later. If it's a work meeting, you might add the agenda. If it's an appointment, you might add the address or confirmation number. Once your event is created, you can begin organizing it visually using different colors. Color coding is one of the best ways to make your calendar easier to read. For example, you could use one color for work, another for personal events, another for health and fitness, and another for family or school. That way, when you look at your calendar, you can instantly tell what type of activity you're dealing with. To change the color, open the event and look for the color options or the calendar settings. Pick a system that makes sense to you and stay consistent with it. Now, let's talk about recurring events. If you have activities that happen on a regular basis, such as weekly meetings, daily workouts, class schedules, or monthly bills, you do not need to create them over and over again. Instead, set them as recurring events. When you create or edit the event, look for the repeat option and choose how often it should happen. You can make it repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or even on custom intervals. This saves a lot of time and helps you keep routine tasks from slipping through the cracks. After that, add tasks for things you need to complete. Google Calendar isn't just for appointments, it can also help you manage your to-do list. Tasks are useful for reminders like finish report, call the dentist, buy groceries, or submit assignment. You can usually add a task from the Create menu or side panel, depending on your version of Google Calendar. Give the task a title, choose a due date if needed, and break larger work into smaller items if that helps you stay productive. Tasks are a great way to keep both your schedule and your to-do list in the same place. Another important step is setting notifications so you do not miss important activities. When you create an event or task, Google Calendar lets you choose reminder alerts. You might want a notification 10 minutes before a meeting, 1 hour before an appointment, or even 1 day before something important. The best reminder setup depends on your routine. If you tend to forget appointments easily, set earlier reminders. If you just need a quick heads up, a shorter alert might be enough. Notifications help turn your calendar into an active planning tool instead of just a static schedule. Once everything is added, take a moment to review your calendar regularly using day, week, or month view. Day view is great when you want to focus on what's happening right now. Week view gives you a balanced look at the next several days, which is perfect for planning ahead. Month view helps you spot busy periods, deadlines, and upcoming events at a glance. Switching between these views is a simple way to stay aware of your schedule and make better decisions about your time. A good planning routine is to check your calendar every morning or the night before. Look for upcoming events, tasks that are due, and any gaps in your schedule. This gives you a chance to prepare ahead of time, avoid conflicts, and feel more in control of your day. The more often you review your calendar, the more useful it becomes. So just to recap, Google Calendar helps you plan by letting you create events, add specific dates and times, color code activities, create recurring events, add tasks, set notifications, and review everything in day, week, or month view. Once you get into the habit of using it, planning becomes much easier and a lot less stressful. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.